Hi everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. And if you're a returning subscriber, family member, thanks for coming back. Today I'm very excited because it's Halloween time. Like I said in my Halloween mug video, that Halloween is my favorite time of the year. And I'm going to be showing you today how to make a guacamole side dish that looks like Frankenstein. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. Also, I have a video that I posted a few weeks ago about how I make my guacamole. So if you're interested in watching that video, I'll have a link to it somewhere in this video, either like the little pop-up in the corner or whatever, but I'm just gonna make this guacamole the same way I made the other one, and then I will show you how to assemble it to make it look like Frankenstein. Okay, now that I have my guacamole ready, I'm gonna put that off to the side, and I'm going to start slicing a few black olives. These black olives are what is gonna end up being Frankenstein's eye pupil area and his scars and his teeth. So we need a couple black olives for that, and I'm gonna start slicing these up. So for the eyeball area, you'll just want to like cut one full olive in half. So you imagine those are the pupils. And then for the teeth, you can do the same thing. And for the scars on the top of his head, we can cut those a little thinner if you'd like. I think I'll determine that later. Okay, so now that my olives are sliced and I have my guacamole ready, you just want to get whatever tray or platter you're going to put your Frankenstein head on ready. I do not have the cute little platter I used last time, so that's why I'm using this glass dish. But the last time I made him, he looked like that, and he was on that cute little Halloween platter. So I don't know, if you're having like a big party, it makes it look cuter. Like as Frankenstein disappears, then you can see your cute little platter behind it. But what you do now is you want to first make Frankenstein's head, which is like a rectangular shape. So you just kind of want to mold your guacamole into the shape you're looking for. If you want Frankenstein to be more green, you can put this guacamole in a food processor if you wanted, so that you have less chunks. But like I said in my first video, my husband and I really like chunky guacamole, so I mean, you still get the Frankenstein appearance even with it being chunky, so it's all personal preference whether you want it to be super green or not. And this platter, I think it's a 9 by 13. I don't know, I can't see the size underneath. Just for reference as far as like how much guacamole is going in there. So we have our rectangular shape here ready. And because this guacamole has lemon and lime in it, it should stay green for a really long time. I would make this, if you're going to make it for a party, right before your guests arrive or right before your party time is to start, just so that it doesn't turn like brown and icky. Now I'm going to do the whites of Frankenstein's eyes. So I'm just using sour cream here. If you're vegan or you don't like sour cream, you could always put like a cauliflower head right here for the eyes, or just use like a cashew based sour cream instead. And just take a tablespoon and kind of mold it to be real kind of crafty with this. And I washed my hands for everybody who wants to come for me. My hands are clean. So it's pretty good whites of the eyes. And then taking our halves of the olives that we used earlier and put that there. And put this one here. Doo -doo -doo -doo. Look, he's getting cute already. Okay, and we need a nose. And for his nose, you have to cut an olive horizontally instead of vertically. So you get a little round piece like this, and that will be his little nose. Oh, so cute. And then you put his teeth. And you can make him grumpy or happy or whatever you feel like, because it's your Frankenstein, so do whatever you want. I'm doing this upside down so you could see it right side up in the video, so if it looks a little weird, that may be why. So there's his little face. He's so cute. Okay, and then all he's missing now is his hair. And what we use for his hair is chips. And then if you want to keep your, like, Frankenstein's hair pretty intact, all I did was, when I did this for my first party, so you could put the chip ends down, and it makes him look like he has like little bangs like this. But I also put a separate bowl of chips next to the guacamole so that people are more inclined to take the bowls or the chip out of the bowls instead of taking it off of the platter, so he can keep his hair and he can look cute the whole party. And then if you wanted to do the same thing on the top, you just point the chips upward, and then you would have pointy hair or spiky hair, whatever you want. And there you have it. There's Guacamole Frankenstein. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here and haven't subscribed, subscribe down below. I will probably be doing another guacamole mold for Christmas time, and making cake pops, and doing some other arts and crafts projects, which I normally do on this channel. Of our subscribers who have been leaving super sweet comments, I wanted to thank you so much. I truly, truly appreciate them. They make me very happy. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope you have a happy Halloween, and we'll see you next time. Bye!